Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a domain in cpanel. So stay tuned. First, we must log into cpanel with cpanel login username and password. This is the cpanel user-friendly dashboard. We need to click the domains option to enter domain section. Here you can find all the domains added in cpanel. To set up a new domain, we need to click this Create a New Domain button. We need to type in the new domain that we want to set up in cpanel. Do not include HTTP in front of domain. And finally, submit the new domain name. And you can see the domain has been set up. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more of my tutorial videos by clicking the playlist video links in description. You can also subscribe channel to get updates when we add more content.